Hey Hungry Buzz fans, welcome back. Today I got something very special for you. It's getting cooler outside and it's time to make some soup. So what I've got in store is one of my favorite recipes. It's my creamy mushroom soup. You're gonna love it. Let's go ahead and get started. When all the juices are released out of those mushrooms, you want to lower this down to low heat and continue stirring this until all these juices evaporate. This is going to be the longest step here, but you don't want to rush it. You want these mushrooms to caramelize and you want all those juices to evaporate. Don't rush this step and you won't regret it. Okay, so when all those juices evaporate, that's when the mushrooms begin to caramelize. This is not when you stop cooking, my friends. This is when the magic happens. We're gonna keep stirring these mushrooms. I'm gonna make them nice golden brown. They're gonna start to caramelize and get sweet. It's gonna make a nice flavor. You're gonna love it. Keep stirring those guys. And when they get golden brown, that's when you know you're ready. These mushrooms are nice and caramelized, they're nice and golden brown. I turned off the heat. What we want to do is take some of these mushrooms, we're just going to set them to the side here. You don't want to take too many, but about 25% of these mushrooms. Just set them to the side. Now the rest of these, we're going to let these stay in that pot, and then we're going to add 2 whole onions diced. Boom. Let's turn up that heat. Cook this about 5 more minutes. We want to cook this until those onions start to get translucent. Something I like to do right about now, put a little dash of salt. Boom. Now, that's going to help it reduce a little bit. It's going to make it taste real nice. Okay, we've been cooking these onions in here for a good 5 minutes now. Now, nice and translucent. At this point, we're going to want to put in 2 tablespoons of flour, and let's stir that in. We're going to cook that for a good 2 minutes because we want to get rid of that raw flour taste. Now this is going to thicken this up, make it nice. Let's keep stirring that on that heat for a good 2 minutes. Alright. Beautiful. So we've been cooking that flour down for a couple minutes now. Next thing is to toss in some garlic. Let's stir that in there. Make it nice. Now something I like to do, fresh thyme. Tie it with nice kitchen twine. Always makes your dishes better. Throw that in there like that. Nice. And now we're ready for the chicken stock. Recipe's calling for 8 cups. Stir that in there. We're going to continue to cook this under medium heat. What I like to do is scrape all that flavor off the bottom. Okay, so we blended it nice with the immersion blender. Nice and creamy mushroom soup got going on over here. Now this is where we're going to throw in the mushrooms that we set aside earlier. Now let's push some of those in there. We're going to leave some to the side. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave some behind for garnish, alright? We're going to make this soup nice and little chunky there. Alright, so toss those in there, nice, there we go. Stir that in. Let's continue cooking that. Something I like to do is put a little bit of cayenne pepper, give it a nice kick. Boom. Okay, so there you have it. It's my creamy mushroom soup. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test, shall we? That is delicious. The secret there is to make sure you do a long, slow cook on those mushrooms. Make sure you caramelize those mushrooms because that's going to bring out the super flavor. And also, you want to kick it up a notch, toss in some cayenne pepper for some extra heat. Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos and also hit that like button and drop me a comment. I'm always interested in what you have to say. Thanks again.